of this calculation, we simply write exponents from the last digit on the right towards the left. So we go 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And now by expansion, to convert to base 10, we have the first digit, which is 1, has to multiply the base, which is 2, written to the power 4, the number directly on that digit, plus the next part of it, 1, multiplied by the given base 2, raised to the power of 3, the number on the next digit. And then we have 0. 0 multiplying number can be skipped because 0 times any number gives 0. So we proceed with the next digit, which is 1. Yes, that 1. Multiplied by the given base 2 to the power written on it, which is 1. And finally, plus the last digit 1 multiplied by the given base 2 raised to the power of the number written on it, which is 0. Now, by evaluating all of this, you can easily solve the question. So we go, this is going to give us 2 to the power 4, which is 16. Multiplied by 1 gives us 16. Plus the next area, 2 to the power 3, that's 8. 8 multiplied by 1 gives us 8. We'll proceed in that manner. 2 to the power 1 is 2. That 2 multiplied by 1, which gives us 2. And finally, we have 2 to the power 0, which is 1 according to the law of indices. 1 multiplied by 1 is still 1. And when we add this together, 8 plus 2 already is 10 plus 1, 11. 11 plus 16 gives us 27, our answer written to base 10. Very simple. And that will be the option C, our final answer. This is very simple. Please find the video for extra studies.